In today's video, I will quickly walk you through on how to schedule email in Microsoft Outlook. When you schedule email, the email is sent to the recipient at a particular time. Maybe you want the email to be delivered to the person exactly by 9 a.m. because that's when he used to be in office. So when you schedule it, once it's 9 a.m., the email drops in the inbox. Let's just get right into it. Okay, first thing first, get your PC connected to the internet and open your web browser. Here I'm going to work with Microsoft Edge. As the browser opens, visit outlook.com and sign in with your email address and password. All right, I'm now on the Outlook inbox and I want to start the scheduling of the email. All right, so I noticed that Godwin Tech, as the manager of Godwin Tech YouTube channel, comes to office by 9. So I want the email to drop in his inbox by 9:10 a.m. All right, that's 10 minutes past 9 in the morning because that's when he usually gets to his seat to read through email so that those other emails that he received will not overshadow my own. So I'll click on new email. Then in this to section, type the email address of the person you are sending the mail to. So contact Godwin Tech at gmail.com is already on my email list in my contacts. So I'll click on it and it is added. Then this subject, I will click here and give this a subject. All right, so here I'm done giving this a subject. I'll click here and say a few things I want to say. All right, so here it reads, these are the items we need: standard microphone, a camera, a dozen of 60 leaves exercise book. That is what we need for the promotion project we are going to that is going to happen maybe anytime this week. So instead of clicking send button here, click on this drop down and you will see the option schedule send. All right, so click on this schedule send. Then we are giving some options here: tomorrow morning by 8 a.m. and Sunday morning by 8 a.m. The way you want this email to appear in Godwin text inbox. But I'm not okay with any of these two. So let me go with customized time. So I'll click on customized time. And today's date is 9th. Okay, tomorrow is going to be 9th. So I want you to receive this email by 10 of this month. So which is in 2 days time. So I will change this to 10. And the time I want him to get it is 9:15. So I will change this to 9:15. All right. Or if I don't have 9:15 here, I can select 9 and edit it 15. All right. Add 15 here. So what it means is that by 9:15, Godwin Tech is going to receive this. Okay. Once you assign the time, you click out. Okay. And this is 9:15. And the next step is to click on send. All right. As you have clicked on send, this email is not going to drop in his inbox right now. It will wait until that particular date and that particular time. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me hear what you have to say. If you have questions concerning Outlook, drop that in the comment section, okay? And hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Watch this video here to learn everything on how to use Microsoft Outlook. Thank you and see you some other time.